I cradle in my arms you, asking as little as you can. A little snip of a little man. I will give my life to you. An angel told me you'd be born, but why on this night of cold and rain? In this place, a new life begins. I will give my life to you. And even though there's danger near, you should know it's God that brought you here. And in one perfect night, as the stars burn like new, I know what I must do. I know you are the chosen, anointed one. I'll show you a world that needs you when you're grown. You will be more than I could be. You will be your king as heaven grants. As long as you can have your chance, I will give my life to you. That night when I woke up and was greeted by him,